Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a super fun video. I am literally so excited, even though when I'm filming this, it's already happened obviously because you can tell where I am. But as the title says, today we are filming a fun little affordable, aesthetic, budget-friendly work from home desk makeover. I've been working from home now for about a year, I'd say. And in the process, you know, we figured out what works and what doesn't work. And when we moved into this house, I was like, okay, I'm committing to a nice setup because I'm actually like a permanent work from home employee slash like hybrid. Like I'm allowed to go into the hospital if I want to work, but I most likely will be working from home for the majority of the time for the rest of my time employed. So I was like, it's time to up the game. You know what I mean? My desk was looking a little bare. I wasn't really vibing with some of the stuff I originally thought I would vibe with, and that's okay. And so I decided to tackle a little work from home desk makeover for under $100, and I think we did really, really well. So I'm super excited to take you guys along. This video is going to be in a bit different style. I am super obsessed right now with work from home desk makeovers that are, or any video really, that's like quiet and just like aesthetic b-roll with like subtitles explaining what's going on, like the person isn't actually vlogging. So I wanted to try it out for today's video. Let me know if you like it. I obviously am going to keep vlogging, but I think it's like fun every once in a while to try new things out and switch it up. So let me know if you guys liked the style of the video. I just find them very calming and fun to watch, honestly. So I'm super excited to take you guys along. I'm really sad because I didn't get a before shot of what my desk looked like, although I guess I can pull it from a vlog somewhere. But I'm really excited to show you guys the transformation, and I wanted to share one of my biggest tips with you guys before we get into this is just changing your desk location. I know not everyone is super fortunate to have their own office like I do, but even where your desk is, maybe switch it around. I'm someone who loves to switch the furniture around in our house when a new season comes. It's just my way of like welcoming a new chapter in my life. And so one of the biggest tips I have for you guys is if you do have an office or a room, or you know, you have a bigger room that you have your desk in, try switching up where your desk is, because that can make all the difference. And honestly, that can be a makeover in its own for free. So I'm super excited to take you guys along. All the products linked down below that I used for the makeover. But honestly, let's just jump into it. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, let me know if you kind of like this style. Obviously I'm going to keep vlogging, it's not going anywhere, but I think it's fun once in a while, like I said in the intro, to kind of switch things up. But let me know down below what your favorite part of the makeover was. I would love to know. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm sure if you're watching this, you like work from home vlogs, and I film those on the weekly. I also upload 3 vlogs a week. Productivity, lifestyle, work, finances, you name it, fun desk makeovers from time to time. I'm pretty sure if you liked this video, you would like my other content. And without further ado, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!